coming to the important aspect of glass, that is types of glass. Following are some of the important type of glass: optical glass, tempered glass, safety glass, laminated glass, fiber glass, Vickers glass. In addition to these, bulletproof glass, metallic glass, borosilicate glass, and polycarbonate glass. So these are the some of the important types of glasses. Let us we see in detail about all type of glasses, such as their composition and the applications of a particular glass. Optical glass, which is also referred as polycarbonate glass. The optical glass is that glass which has predetermined optical characteristics, so that it can be used in the optical instrument which has certain definite properties required in the optical glass. Following are the important properties required for the optical glass. Optical glass should have a composition of required proportions. Raw materials used should be free from iron content. If there is a presence of iron content, it gives a yellow stain to the article. Glass should have low viscosity. It should take up desired polish on its surface. Glass should be able to withstand the action of atmosphere. It should be free from air bubbles, stress and strain. Composition of optical glass. Optical glass consists of sodium carbonate, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, zinc oxide, calcium fluoride, silicon dioxide, and silicates of potassium and aluminium. The proportion of different materials differs in different samples. The following shows the composition of such optical glass, that is, the percentage composition of optical glass is SiO2 70%, calcium fluoride 15 to 60%, sodium carbonate 6%, calcium carbonate 4 to 5%, and magnesium carbonate 4%. Second type of glass, that is safety glass. Safety glass is a glass which on breaking does not allow its broken pieces to fly apart and cause injury to the people around. There are two types of glasses. First one, laminated safety glass, and the second one is heat tempered glass. First of all, safety glass means the glass which does not allows its broken pieces away from the place of accident, and it will not cause any injury to the people around. So that type of glass itself is called as a safety glass. Here safety glass is always going to be used in the automobiles. laminated safety glass. Laminated safety glasses are usually made by pasting two sheets of glass by means of a plastic adhesive to two sides of a plastic sheet. The plastic and the glass sheets are pressed together under heat treatment to seal the edges. The glass used here is an ordinary glass, while the plastic sheet is of cellulose acetate or polyvinyl butyryl resin. Coming to the tempered glass. Tempered glass is a single glass, heat treated in such a way that the layer is in compression produced by cooling. It is very resistant to blow and does not shatter while traveling at a very high speed. For example, car, bulletproof vehicles, train, aeroplane and rockets, etc. Fiber glass is a glass, that is, the glass is converted into a fine thread. It is prepared by allowing or putting a thread of glass pulled from a heated glass rod over a rapidly revolving drum. In this way, glass is drawn into a fine fiber like the fiber of wool or silk. Fibers are woven into a cloth, decorative materials, and textiles are produced by it. Such fiberglass are fireproof. Coming to the Vickers glass. High silica glass is called Vickers glass. Vickers glass contains 96% of silica. This type of glass resists the action of acid, alkali and sudden change of temperature. Vickers glasses are obtained by melting pure silica, borax, alkali and aluminium under heat. The glass article produced are immersed in 10% solution of hydrochloric acid at 98 degrees Celsius for a sufficient time. After the acid treatment, the glass articles are subjected to another heat treatment where the glass articles becomes non-porous and undergoes shrinkage to about 15 to 20% of the original shape and size. Such type of glass articles produced can be heated to a red hot temperature and suddenly plunged into ice cold water without any harm to the glass articles, and this process is called quenching. Quenching means sudden cooling up of a red hot glass articles by putting them into a ice cold water. After the quenching, the glass articles does not break down easily with the variation of high temperature to low temperature or from low temperature to high temperature. Borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is an example of again a optical glass and contains about 13 to 28% of boron trioxide and 80 to 87% of silica. Borosilicate glass has a low expansion coefficient, superior resistant to shock, high electrical resistant and high chemical stability. Applications of borosilicate glasses. Borosilicate glasses are used in the manufacture of baking dishes. In the laboratory, almost all type of glasses used are a borosilicate glasses, and the apparatus are also made by the borosilicate glass only. The borosilicate glasses are used in pipelines and also as an insulator and the washers.